Lazy J Dairy. We've been in the family for almost 70 years. At the current size of our farm, we're milking 160 cows plus young stock, and we run about 500 acres. We ship our milk through a co-op, Scenic Central. Milk twice a day in a double-eight parabone parlor. My farm's unique, I believe, because all the daily labor is family. They're blood related, they're first cousins. Most of them it's immediate family, mom, dad, sister, and there's only a little bit of custom work that we don't do ourselves. Otherwise, all the field work, barn work, everything is done in-house pretty much. My role on the farm is the dairy herd management. Make all the decisions with the cows. Some of the technologies we use on the farm is last year we just started solar panels, so we're gonna capitalize on sun for electricity. Hopefully that makes some big savings. There's 450 panels on the roof, and we put them all on the roof, so we didn't lose any ground, any cropland. And hopefully the system is big enough that it produces 90% of my electricity. Some of the conservation practices we do are the cover cropping, double cropping, minimum till, no till. Future goals for the farm are just to try to become more efficient, I guess. We're preparing for breakfast on the farm by attending the committee meetings and cleaning up and just getting a good plan, and hopefully it flows easy. And the one thing I want attendees to know about our farm that separates us from the rest is the family labor aspect. This is still 100% family farm. The family will be busy cleaning and running around this place the morning of. Nobody else is going to do the work but us. So